The struggles and resistance of young people entering the workforce. Many young people face numerous challenges as they step into the workforce due to their lack of social experience. Just graduating from university or school, they know very little about social cognition and experience, and this lack of knowledge presents many challenges. Firstly, their resistance to control from their youth has become mature and strong. They display a strong resistance to various levels of control, whether it be towards superiors or the heads of departments. This resistance stems from their pursuit of freedom and their desire to assert their rights. They don't want to be constrained and wish to act according to their own will. However, in the workplace, many rules and decisions made by superiors often limit their freedom, causing them to feel uneasy and develop resistance. At the same time, young people recognize their lack of experience, so they have to comply with the instructions of their superiors and leaders. This compliance helps them adapt to the work environment to some extent, but it also leaves them feeling internally conflicted. They yearn for independence but must rely on the guidance of others. As time goes on, this strong resistance may lead to two extremes. Either they choose to endure the status quo or they choose to explode in rebellion. If they choose to endure, they may suppress their true thoughts, leading to inner pain and dissatisfaction. If they choose to explode in rebellion, they may clash with superiors or colleagues, impacting their career development. During this process, young people must constantly adjust their mindset and behavior. They need to find a balance, both maintaining their rights and adapting to workplace rules. Finding this balance requires time and experience, as well as continuous learning and growth. How can young people maintain independence while also adhering to workplace rules and expectations? This is a question they need to constantly think about and explore. They should seek support and guidance, whether from colleagues, mentors, or family. These supports can help them develop better in their careers. At the same time, young people need to recognize their own value and abilities. They should fully utilize their strengths to contribute to the team and company. In doing so, they can gradually earn others' recognition and respect, reducing the control and restrictions placed on them. This requires courage and patience, as they may need to face some setbacks during the early stages of their careers. In dealing with these challenges, young people can seek new learning and development opportunities. Through continuous improvement, they can enhance their skills and knowledge, which not only strengthens their competitiveness in the workplace but also provides them with more opportunities for autonomy. However, this doesn't mean young people should blindly adapt to their environment. On the contrary, they can proactively communicate and collaborate with others to solve problems. This way, they can establish their own network and support system during the early stages of their career, laying the foundation for future development. Young people will face many challenges as they enter the workforce, but these challenges also provide opportunities for growth and learning. How will they find their balance in a complex environment? By continually adjusting their mindset and behavior, young people can gradually discover their own path to development, laying a solid foundation for future success. Are you ready to face challenges and find your path in the workforce?